Hello friends, today we are going to learn English workshop of unit number 2.4 and epitome of courage from standard 10th English. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 10वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 2.4 and epitome of courage या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासणार आहोत. चला तर मित्रांनो, आपल्या आजच्या सेशनला सुरुवात करूयात. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, मॅच द फॉलोइंग. खाली दिलेले ग्रुप ए व ग्रुप बी यांच्या योग्य जोड्या लावा. आन्सर 1. गॅलिलिओ, द ग्रेटेस्ट सायंटिस्ट 300 years before Hawking. 2. Dr. Stephen Hawking, the greatest scientist of this century. 3. Black holes, the concept which helped Stephen to get his PhD. 4. Stephen's favorite subjects, music and mathematics. Next question. Question number 2. Complete the following wave chart containing the qualities of Dr. Stephen Hawking. स्टीफन हॉकिंग यांच्या गुणवैशिष्ट्यांचा खालील जालतक्ता पूर्ण करा. क्वालिटीज ऑफ डॉक्टर स्टीफन हॉकिंग: courageous, humble, intelligent, optimistic, great author and undaunted. Next question. Question number 3. Arrange the following statements according to the occurrence in the life history of Dr. Stephen Hawking. मित्रांनो, स्टीफन हॉकिंग यांच्या जीवनपटातील खाली दिलेली 8 विधाने त्यांच्या घटनाक्रमानुसार मांडा. Answer 1. Stephen was born on 8th January 1942 and then grew up like an average child and a normal teenager. 2. At the age of 17, Stephen noticed that he fell down a couple of times for no reason. 3. Stephen was diagnosed with a rare disease, ALS or LOU. 4. Stephen decided to continue his doctoral research work with renewed vigor. 5. The disease worked its way into Stephen's body and left him disabled. 6. Though confined to a wheelchair, he worked on computer and expressed his thoughts. 7. He became a fellow of the Royal Society and a member of the US National Academy of Science. And 8. He believes that in the next millennium, science will discover the core of secrets of the universe. Next question. Question number 4. Homographs. Homographs म्हणजे समाक्षरी शब्द. Pairs of words that are spelled and pronounced the same but have different meanings in different contexts. होमोग्राफ्स म्हणजे असे शब्द ज्यांचे स्पेलिंग व उच्चार एकसारखा असतो पण वेगवेगळ्या संदर्भामध्ये त्यांचा अर्थ वेगवेगळा असतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, वॉच मीन्स ऑब्झर्व म्हणजे पाहणी करणे किंवा निरीक्षण करणे. अँड वॉच मीन्स डिव्हाइस दॅट शोज टाइम म्हणजे वेळ दाखवणारे साधन. येथे वॉच या शब्दाचा वेगवेगळ्या संदर्भामध्ये वेगवेगळा अर्थ आहे. यालाच होमोग्राफ्स असे म्हणतात. क्वेश्चन. यूज द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स इन 2 different कॉन्टेक्स्ट. खाली दिलेले शब्द 2 वेगवेगळ्या संदर्भामध्ये वापरा. वर्ड्स. ए. कपल, बी. माइंड, सी. स्पेस, डी. साउंड and E. left. Question. In your notebook, make pairs of sentences with any 3 of the above homographs. तुमच्या वहीमध्ये वरीलपैकी कोणतेही 3 होमोग्राफ्स वेगवेगळ्या अर्थानुसार 2 वेगवेगळ्या संदर्भामध्ये वापरा. Answer. A. Couple. 1. I think the storm will clear up in a couple of days. 2. The couple have no children. B. Mind. Answer. 1. Ramesh made up his mind to go. 2. Sachin doesn't mind their reaction. C. Space. Answer. 1. There is zero gravity in the space. 2. There is enough space in the room to store anything. D. Sound. Answer. 1. I heard a sound of thunder. 2. The lawyer's argument was sound. E. Left. Answer. 1. Sachin left his home and hurried towards Mumbai. 2. His left hand was badly injured in the accident. Next question. Question number 5. Use the following words or phrases in your own sentences. खाली दिलेले शब्द किंवा वाक्यप्रचार तुमच्या स्वतःच्या वाक्यात वापरा. A. Quirk of fate. Answer. By the quirk of fate, 2 friends died in an accident. B. Confined to. Answer. The thief was confined to jail. C. Exaggeration. Answer. He told me the truth without any exaggeration. D. An epitome of. Answer. Sachin is an epitome of hard work. E. Millennium. We are the children of new millennium. Next question. Question number 6. Expand the given themes. Make use of these support or hints. खाली दिलेल्या मदतीचा किंवा सूचनांचा उपयोग करून दिलेल्या विषयांचा विस्तार करा. Question. If you fall ill during your final exam. Answer. If I fall ill during my final exam, the first thing I would do is go to the doctor so that he can give me some medicine to recover. I would study for my exam without being disheartened and take my medicines on time. My parents will be there to nurse me well and look after my health, medicines and my fast recovery. My friends also will help me in my studies. They will comfort me and give me confidence. If I feel a little better, I will continue my studies for the final exam. Next question. If you meet a disabled person who needs help. Answer. If I meet a disabled person who needs help, I will try to help him out without making him feel dependent. I will ask him what sort of help he needs. Then I will help him while chatting with him so that he doesn't feel like he is depending on someone for a particular thing. If it is a long-term help that the person needs, I would contact an NGO that could come to the person's aid. Next question. If your friend is in trouble. Answer. I would help my friend through this difficult time by being there for him and helping him to come up with a solution for the problem. I would encourage him to keep a positive attitude. I shall stay with him throughout this difficult time and make sure that he overcomes the problem. Next question. If you meet a great person like Dr. Stephen Hawking. Answer. If I ever get to meet a great person like Dr. Stephen Hawking, I would consider myself fortunate. I will tell him how inspiring he is and how he has given other people the hope to lead a fulfilling life. I would thank him for being courageous and determined, for not giving up when things got difficult, for striving to make a better life for himself and for contributing to the society in such an exceptional way. Next question, question number 7. You happen to meet a successful person who is a disabled. Write an imaginary dialogue between you and him or her. You can take support of the hints provided. मित्रांनो, तुम्ही एखाद्या दिव्यांग व्यक्तीला भेटलात अशी कल्पना करा आणि तुमच्या आणि त्याच्यामधील काल्पनिक संवाद लिहा. Answer. Me. Hello Mahesh. How are you? Mahesh. I am fine. How are you today? Me. Fine. I have read that you have won the Mumbai's youngest chess champion tournament. Congratulations. Mahesh. Thank you Sandeep. That's an honor. Me. Tell us something about your disability. How did this happen? Mahesh, at the age of 5, I lost use of both the legs in an accident. A pillar fell on my legs and I was rescued only after 2 hours. If I was saved earlier, this would not have happened. Me, that's sad and very unfortunate. Mahesh, yes, it was very sad and unfortunate at that time, but now it's a blessing. Having just to sit and not being able to walk, I started playing chess with my mother and see where I am today. Me, do you follow any particular player? Mahesh, I follow Grandmaster Vishwanathan Anand. He is a champion player. Me, what kind of support did you receive? Mahesh, my main support were my parents, my siblings and my friends. I thank my friend Ramesh for taking me to the chess coaching camp one summer, which he did every day in the afternoon just so that I could play and enjoy myself. Me, you seem to be winning a lot of tournaments now. What's your message for the children of today? Mahesh, the only message I have for everyone is get up every morning and try to do something, and when you find that one thing that makes you lose your sleep, go after it. Me, Mahesh, that's wonderful and really motivating. I hope everyone reading this interview will learn something today. Thank you Mahesh. अशा पद्धतीने विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 10वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 2.4 अँड एपिटोमी ऑफ करेज या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासलेला आहे. तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला अजून सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा. आज आपण इथंच थांबूयात. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.